Namaste, welcome to yet another episode of Unexplored Odisha. After spending an amazing day at the Tampara lake, today we are at Puri. People from all over the country come here to visit the famous Puri Jagannath temple. Well, I'm super excited because this is the first time that I'm visiting the Puri Jagannath temple and I can't wait to take the blessings of the Lord Jagannath. To get to the temple, you need to park your car at a distance and either walk or take an auto rickshaw like we did. And the entire stretch of this road gives you a vintage feel with those amazing buildings in the background. We had to leave our mobiles at a certain point and then enter the temple, so this is the only view we could get for you guys. People say there are a lot of mysteries about the Jagannath temple, and one of them is the flag that flows to the opposite direction of the wind. And if you are into street shopping like us, there are a lot of options that you can check out on the street. The weather in Puri was a little different from the other places that we visited in Odisha, so you might want to get dressed for a hot and humid climate. After taking blessings from Lord Jagannath, we are now headed to Konark to visit the Sun Temple. Going back to Konark after 4 years.
Please subscribe to the Globetrotters. Thank you so much.
Please subscribe to Globetrotters. Thank you.
Thank you, Sudhakar. Since we had to stop by the Eco Retreat Konark for some time, we could only reach the Sun Temple after sunset. Dedicated to the Hindu god Surya, the temple's architecture resembles a huge chariot with massive wheels around it. And the complete temple was built over a span of 12 years. Did you know that there are 24 sundials around the Sun Temple that depicts the 24 hours a day? No wonder that the Indian technology was so advanced in the 13th century itself. While taking a walk around the Sun Temple, I was able to see different kinds of statues and carvings. However, history says that these statues and carvings were destroyed in the invasions that happened between the 15th to 17th century. While I was mesmerized looking at these amazing carvings, I was also sad to see these being destroyed for various other reasons. The Sun Temple Konark was declared as the UNESCO Heritage Site in 1984. And also, you can find the pictures of the Konark Sun Temple on the Indian currency. I am absolutely proud to present you the great and beautiful culture of our country. I hope you've liked this vlog, and if you did, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel because there are much more amazing videos of unexplored Odisha coming up. Thank you for watching.